Okay guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you 4 altcoins you can buy right now. So when you make 20, 50, 100% profit on them, you can decide to sell them, so you don't have to hold them for a very long time. And if you wish to hold it for a very long time, it's actually up to you. So without any further ado, let's dive in, let's dig in, and let's go straight to the main business. So the first one right here on the list is this. Let's go to the screen now. STBL. Okay, so this is from the team behind USDT stablecoin. Okay, so this is right here. STB token. It's a governance token, and the current market cap now is $202.3 million. All right, so if it gets to $1 billion market cap, that's 5x. All right, so currently we have more buyers compared to the sellers, and let's check the chart. So from the chart you can see that there is a pullback. Okay, so the price pumped to like 0.6, okay, and now it's back down to 0.4. right, so this is the first altcoin you can buy now, STBL. So you can actually do your own research on it, don't take my word for it. Okay, it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Now the next one is this. So you can actually buy all these altcoins on Mexi Global Exchange. You are going to see the link in the description box. So this is the next one, River, and you can see the market cap is $44.4 million, so it's lower to STBL. All right, STBL market cap is 200 million plus, this one is 44 million plus. So, and this one too also has a lot of buyers. The buyers are more than the sellers. And also let's check the chart. Okay, so you can visit the official website to find out more information about Rivers. So this is the chart right here. It's still loading, but let's check chart and transactions. I don't know why this thing is slow. So you can see 6 seconds ago 9 seconds ago someone bought $663 and that $47. So then people are buying, people are selling, but there are more buyers, as you can see right here, over 7,000 buyers. Then the chart, you can see from the chart, like, let me check the one. So I don't know what's really happening to the chart. So but this is actually a new altcoin. Let's check. Yeah, so it's a new altcoin. I think launched this month of September 2025. So the max supply is 100 million. The current circulating supply is 19.6 million, and the current price is $2. Okay, so that's it. So now let's check the next one. The next one right here is this order. So the price currently is 0.42 and the market cap is 129 million. Okay, so if it gets to 1 billion, that's like almost 10x. And as you can see right here, Orderly Network is a layer 2 built on OP stack, delivering a permissionless liquidity layer for Web3 trading. So let's check the chart. Okay, so as you can see from the chart, this is bullish. Okay, is higher low, is, so it's retracing, so I think to form another higher low. So after the pullback you can decide to buy. All right, so let's check the next one. Before that, let's see. All right, the buyers here are more than the sellers. People are taking profit because this has, like, yesterday did more than 50%, if not more than that. So Some people are taking profit. So let's check the next one right here. The next one on the list here is AVNT, Avantis. Okay, so the current price is 1.13 and the market cap is $291 million. So what is Avantis? Avantis is the largest real-world asset perpetual DEX in DeFi, built on and backed by Base. Avantis allows users to trade crypto and real-world assets. So this is backed by Coinbase, just like Asta is being backed by Binance and CZ. Okay, so this one here has a massive potential. All right, so let's look at the chart. So from the chart you can see this has retraced. Okay, so it's currently on a discount level, so and it's reacting based on like this demand zone right here. Okay, so you can see the price, as the price gets to this demand zone, okay, like it's reversing. So the price could probably get to like $2 and still pull back again or push up further. So that's it, guys. I just mentioned 4 altcoins you can buy right now. Okay, so and don't forget, when buying altcoins, meme coins, or whatever coins, make sure you buy with what you can afford. Okay, so and don't over leverage. Okay, risk with the amount you can afford. So that's it, guys. I really hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you share, like, comment, and if you're here to subscribe, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.